Welcome to Eats and Travels, Dollar Tree.
Come with us to Dollar Tree. What are we getting out of Dollar Tree? It looks empty. They need something on the walls or something. Dollar Tree. We're going to Dollar Tree. Let's get it back. Hi. All right, good people. What are we getting today? Let's see. So all of the drinks at Five Below. The apple juice. No, this is not Five Below. This is Dollar Tree. Look at this fruit punch. Look at the Sunny D fruit punch. Yay or nay? Lemonade? What else flavors do they have? All the drinks at Five Below.
This is what we do for fun.
Let's see. All right. What's wrong with this? Why is it clear? Last time it was purple, huh? That look a little suspect. Ring Pop Water Craft Soda. Here is more drinks. More drinks. We said we were going to stay away from soda. Look at this one, California Dream. Orange cream. Comment below if you would try this. This is Fago Delicious Fireworks. So parents, you're looking to stay cool, keep your kids cool this summer. Dollar Tree has these popsicles, slushies.
Don't forget to like, share, comment until the next video.